Now, amid the COVID pandemic, remember, Maharashtra continues to open up slowly. There are barber shops, spas, salons, gymnasiums that are all set to open up from today. The state government has issued a standard operating procedure and these services will be offered with certain guidelines. Employees at barber shops, salons must wear protective gear. Chairs must be sanitized before and after each service. Ease in restrictions in Maharashtra comes, however, amid rising cases of COVID-19. For a second consecutive day, over 5,000 cases have been confirmed in one day. In the last 24 hours, 5,318 cases and 167 deaths have been reported in Maharashtra. On June 26th, meanwhile, the state recorded 5,024 cases in 24 hours. The total cases in state now close to 1,60,000 mark. In Mumbai alone, over 2,000 cases have been reported in one day. The city of Pune also has now witnessed a single-day spike with 822 cases. All right, so now let's find out what is the status on ground today morning. Mustafa Sheikh and also Pankaj Kelkar are joining me. Mustafa is in Mumbai, Pankaj is in Pune. First to Mustafa, because the fact that spas, salons, gymnasiums are opening, Mustafa, how is the life in this COVID era? Because it's opening while cases are increasing. Over to you.
Well, Pooja, there have been huge losses which this industry has incurred in past 3.5 months. So it is an exciting phase even for them because their business was never in their, it is unprecedented to shut salons for 3.5 months. Now when they open up slowly in an hour or two time, the customers have to be only on basis of appointments. Then there is fear among customers whether it's the most advised decision to go out on the first day and have a haircut. So that is the second thing they have to fight out. And the third is taking all the precautions like sanitizing their seats before and after, using disposable napkin, towels, and as whatever equipments possible to be disposable. Those things have to be taken into consideration. Ultraviolet rays protection for the equipment, scissors and other things. So there is a lot in motion. They are excited that they are getting to start their businesses, but in a day or two we will come to know from the customer side whether how is the response in Mumbai, in rest of Maharashtra to the salons opening up after 3.5 months. Back to you.
That's interesting. Will people want to really come out right now knowing fairly well the situation in Mumbai? Let's now go across to Pune. Pankaj Kelkar is in the city of Pune. 822 cases being reported. Pune also is reporting a spike. Pankaj, how's the status there in the city? Are people taking precautions around you even now, or have they decided to just let it go?
See, Pooja, in Pune, although the cases are on a rise, the civic administration, they have justified that because they have increased the testing and so this rise will be there. But at the same time, the civic administration, the head of civic administration, they are claiming that 80% of the cases that are coming positive are asymptomatic, and so there is no need to worry and appropriate arrangements are being made. Now that the salons are opening, the gyms are opening after 3.5 months, as Mustafa explained, that precautions are being taken. Now I am at one of the salon owner as well as those who work over here, they are with me, and with me I also have people queuing in. So people are waiting, people are eager to again come to the salons, go to the gym. So first let's talk to the customers, like the precaution and the whether they are petrified or yes, they want to go and have a haircut. Yeah, how would you describe? Now that the salons are opening, what is in your mind?
So, India, good morning. I am speaking from this Salim Men's Parlor from Aund, Pune. So it is a great moment because we have waited up to for 3.5 or 4 months from last 4 months. Now today government has done very major decision.
There in your mind?
My mind, it is a very disciplined. They have arranged in nice manner. All precautions they have taken. These saloon staff have already taken. So we are pleased. We are very happy. We are very eager that we are that saloon is opening. We are taking hair cutting today.
What would you like to say? You coming to salon after 3.5 months, or like you had your haircut at your home itself?
No, I did not have any haircut at my home. It is a good move that finally they have allowed the saloons to open. So after waiting for almost more than 3 months, today they have allowed us. I've been coming here for the past more than 10-15 years now. And we know this. And usually people don't go to other parlors than the regular ones. So I know these parlors and the precautions that they're going to take.
So the customers, they are happy. Now let's talk to the owners and those who are work over here. क्या क्या कहा है आपको, क्या क्या सावधानी बरतने वाले हैं आप?
हमारे पास जो है यूज़ थ्रो कपड़े है, सैनिटाइजर है और यूज़ करो एक बार फेंक दो और
Yes.
इस कस्टमर का काम
सावधानी बरतने
सावधानी बरतने वाले हैं.
So here, Pooja, you have heard that the people who work at this particular saloon, they are saying that a number of steps are being taken, and they have also decided they will have very few customers, and those customers will be only by appointment and by timing. So saloons are starting once again, but yes, people are worried. But at the same time, they have to go. They want to come to the saloons and have a haircut, but with proper precautions.
All right, so the men have started to queue up to get some services done at that hair salon as well. Pankaj is bringing us the latest update. Also in Mumbai, where cases are spiking as well. Thank you so much to both of you, Mustafa and Pankaj. I'll come back to you through the morning.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.